All right, here is my final verdict on automated cash app system. Is it worth getting or not? What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, this is my last one talking about automated cash app system. This is probably like my fourth video talking about this. This is a money making system from a guy named, I think he calls himself Bones Jones or Bones Rodriguez, something like that. He's the guy from New York. He created the system a little over a year ago, I believe, and it's all about showing people how they can make money from apps, different apps that offer like money back, money back when you sign up for the app, how to get money back, how to get money from referrals, and all of this. So what he did was he created a course that basically showed you all the apps, all the highest paying apps that you can join and get paid for. And then he shows you how to make even more money by actually promoting the course itself, which is automated cash app system. So I still get messages to this day of people asking me like, yo, well, is it legit? Is it, do it really work? Other people ask me like, yo, I got it, but I didn't make any sales yet. And here's the deal. Is this a real legit system that can make you money? Yes. How do I know? Because I actually make money with this system. It's very, very simple. It's basically affiliate marketing, to be honest with you. When it comes to um, the actual course itself, when it comes to signing up for different apps and everything, the key is yes, you will make money when you join these apps. You will get paid. But where the real money comes in is when you get other people to sign up with these different apps and stuff like that, and then you get a kickback or like a referral fee for getting other people to join these referrals. I mean, these other apps. Okay, now it's the same thing with the actual course, the $27 Cash App course. You actually get resale rights, so you actually need to promote the course, right? So when it comes to promoting anything online, it's all about being able to get traffic to your offer. Not only traffic, but you want to get somewhat targeted traffic. You want to put this system in front of people who are looking to make extra money, right? Whether it be from making money from apps that pay you, or whether it be from people that's just interested in, selling a make money online course, right? Um, it's a cool system. It really is, but it's not something that you buy and you just, you download it, or get the access to the members area, and then money just gonna start popping in. The course shows you how to make money with it. Just like with anything, you got to do it and you got to stick with it. Now, can you make easy, quick commissions with this? Absolutely. Absolutely. Because it's just one of the things where a lot of people already know about getting paid, by signing up for different app companies. A lot of people know about like Acorns, what's the other one? Cash App. All of that stuff people know about, if you get people to sign up, you can get paid, right? What this course does, and I just logged in a couple weeks ago to see, like, this Rodriguez guy, the creator, he added several different app apps that you can join and make some nice money, not to mention what you can get for referring these apps to people. And so the opportunity is there with this system. It's not a scam. It's not, the course is not a scam. A scam is when you get something and they promise you all this stuff on some sales page. You get it and it has nothing to do with what the sales page says, or the methods taught in the course just don't work. Then yeah, that's a scam in my opinion. But this isn't a scam because, and you can watch previous videos, I showed several payment proofs of, $27 commissions coming in from selling the course. The actual apps, several of the apps I didn't already had already, in the course. But here's the funny thing: I didn't do it, but I could have made a lot more money from the automated cash app system if I would have actually signed up to all of the apps that he recommends in the course. So this is why I tell people, if you buy this course, the $27, you will, if you follow within it, just not even selling the course like I do, not even selling the course, you will make more money back just by signing up with the apps that the Rodriguez guy actually refers in the course. You will make more than 20. You will get more than $27 back. So it really is a win for you, regardless. But listen, you gotta do the steps in the course. Trust me when I tell you. Like when you get it, sign up for the apps. You'll make money. Now, if you want to make more money by selling the course because you have reseller rights, you just need to promote it. Promote it. You know what I mean? It's $27, 100% commissions. It will go to your Cash App. Everything will be set up for you once you get the course. I'm trying to think because that's the last time I'm talking about it. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's a course that can be around for a while. It's easy to use. But like I said, guys, at the end of the day, it's affiliate marketing. You're promoting stuff, even with the apps. Yes, you will make money from the apps, but if you really want to make more money from these apps in the course, you need to promote these apps. But the course shows you how to do it. So if you're not making money from the course or from the apps, well, you will make money from the apps when you sign up with them. But keep going. It's selling, it's marketing. Just keep going. If you feel like, oh, I ain't making money, trust me, it's a simple course. It's as simple as you can get when it comes to money making courses, right? So check it out. If you got any questions, comment below. You can actually get the course right now, link below. If you got any questions about it, shoot them to me and I'll try to help you out best I can. But the course is simple, it is legit. You just got to do the right. All right, be sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up if you learned something, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my #1 recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.